country folk. We never try keeping up with the Joneses. Keep up the Joneses, you'll never have nothing. You'll always be broke, bankruptcy, and stuff like that. Hell, I didn't turn the light on, did I?
Well, why didn't you? Did you?
Well, I don't need it on, because I just saw it in that drawer. That's why I left it open. What do we come out here for now?
Antifreeze.
Yep. Good thinking. Is it over yonder on that deal?
Right over there.
No, that's brake fluid. That's brake fluid. That four-wheel drive that time you had.
Yeah.
Had the transmission.
Plus, we used that green truck of that power steering.
Yeah, well, we didn't use much. But
which I got that fixed.
Just put a little dab in there and it softens them seals up. You just use a little teaspoon. You don't put a whole bunch of crap in it. And it revives them seals when they get old and dry.
It's dark in here.
Yeah, here's a gallon of 1540 motor oil for that. Last oil change. I don't know what we use that GTX in, I guess.
Antifreeze. Where did we put that?
Yeah. Oh, it's in your pickup, Goober. Remember? We opened it up and I told you put it in your pickup and keep it, didn't I?
No.
How come I have to be the one that's brainless around here? Well,
there's my full there, covered up.
Yeah.
Needs a carburetor.
This year we'll get a carburetor for it, and we'll get that. That's all that's the matter with it's carburetor, and we're gonna get that carburetor for it.
There's my other one. Broke down in the mountains. The back end of it.
That's your first four-wheeler.
The A-frame broke on me.
And there's your first truck and your wagon. No, that ain't your first wagon. That's the first truck and first four-wheeler. And there's the first wagon you owned right there, son. That little bitty one right there.
Mm-hmm. And my bikes and tricycles.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. And nothing else, we'll have to open that other antifreeze. Let's go do it. Yeah. How many minutes you run that?
Don't say right now.
Don't say?
No. About 29 minutes.
29 minutes?
Yeah.
Man.
30 minutes, pretty much.
Nobody's going to watch YouTube for 30 damn minutes this time.
This is going to be a 3-part, 2-part deal.
Yeah, you're going to have to figure out how to do that, you know it?
Which I do.
That's good, because you're smarter than I am. Okay. What if I told you we put
too much in?
Too much in. No, we're okay. It just looked odd, didn't it? Go in there, you little booger. No, we're okay. Well, it's still drain on that tube. That's the bad thing about these things, that tube.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just stick it in there. We got plenty of oil in it. See, on the back side, it shows full, so that's all we care about. See, it's still getting drained off the front, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And your truck's setting downhill a little bit, so you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So when it gets back level, that oil dip sticks to the front of your motor, and if you take and once your truck levels out, see it at just a hair over, we'll go back to where it is. Okay, full of oil. Where's all we had left over? We need to put it back in the barn. It's right here, screw the lid on. There ain't much left. I forgot, this ain't a full quart filter on this, so it didn't take the whole quart. It's like a 3/4 quart. Or half.
There's antifreeze.
Antifreeze, yeah.
What's that, 50-50?
Nope, she's full formula.
If you can open it.
Got a pocket knife on you?
Nope.
How come you ain't got a pocket knife on you? We'll try this good little old Boy Scout knife. I used to carry case knives all the time and all them deals like this. This is made by Camulus. And it's one of the handiest little knives you ever seen. It's even got a little old deal. You can pull ropes out of in a knot, or you can use it to ream out something. And it's got a screwdriver and a can opener. So it's a really versatile little tool. And it's yellow.
What do you expect for a different kind of antifreeze?
Now all we gotta do is, how are we gonna do that without spilling any of it?
Spill some.
Do like I always do. Start out.
It's green.
Yeah. I hope I get enough in it, because I bet I couldn't start over and do this again. Yeah, and I'm watching. I can see it down there. Huh. Did you hear it gurgle? Look at that.
Didn't spill a drop.
Didn't spill one drop, and it's full. Cool. Yep. Now we'll put this jug back over here.
You leave trash on my truck.
Huh?
You leave trash on my truck.
Yeah, well, that's what pickups are for, to use. What's this? Right in your bed.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got all that done. All we got to do is grease it, guys. And it ain't got too many places to grease, since it's top ball joint, bottom ball joint, top ball joint. It's got rack and pinion under it. I think it's got a, I have to look. They got a, on the tie rod end, I think. So we got 6 places to grease. Does it, you got to grease your drive shaft on this one? You don't? You sure?
Pretty sure.
You don't never put no miles on it. It's been last summer when we changed oil in this truck, because he don't drive it much. And so we don't have to change oil in it very often. He's put 3,000 miles on it, like 7 months, something like that. 7 or 8 months. This is his first truck. No, it's his second truck. He had a 1995 four-wheel drive S10 Chevrolet before he had this one. He worked his butt off and fixed up. And I had a 90 GMC that I bought, and it needed a distributor in it. And old boy on this, he wanted that Chevrolet GMC so bad, he traded me straight across for this truck, and this truck ran. And it had a motor, just had a motor put in it when he got it. He owned it 1 year, and he was real particular about this truck. He's a gearhead. He's a young guy, 25 years old now. I think he's 25 this year. But he's a gearhead. He was real particular about everything. He kept everything teetotal up to snuff on this thing. So it's been a good little old truck. Nothing you can do about that damn exhaust. They always rot out from under these son of bitches. Well, okay. Have you ever checked your air filter lately?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay.
You might want to check it again, though. Just make sure.
You checked it. You don't never drive it on dirt roads, hardly. I mean, how about your brake foot? Have you looked here lately? It's full of brake fluid.
Dang.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Hey, wash that washer up there. Oh, that didn't work.
Then I made Colton, he decided he wanted this truck. So I traded him this truck for his little 4-wheel drive pickup he had, that S10. Then I sold the S10 and got all my money back. Didn't make a dime. Got every bit of my money back though. About $1,500 worth. Time we spent on that S10 and time we spent money on this one. I did fixing the door latches and just a little tinker shit on it. Nothing drastic. I had a couple of $100 invested in this one. Putting a back bumper on it. Didn't have a back bumper. We bought a new back bumper. I mean a back bumper put on it. But like I say, when I sold that little S10, I got all my money back. Didn't make a dime. Something wrong with this picture. Old man can't make a dime off his kid. Well, and I like tinkering with these old vehicles. I used to mechanic on old trucks all the time. They're a lot of fun. They're relaxing. You can come out here and take your time, enjoy life, fix them. And then you're proud when you get done fixing it. You've accomplished something. Instead of watching football on Sunday on TV, come out here and do something constructive, make your mind work. Yep. Okay. Gotta get a grease gun and get her in the truck again. Daggone it. How come I gotta do all this? I ain't figured that out yet. Let me see if there's a damn. This is where I'm gonna get dirty. Yep, give me the grease gun. It's got grease start here on the power rod. I might as well get one under here.
Good, trusty grease gun.
Yeah.
That's also cold.
This grease gun's probably 30 years old, Colton. When you take care of stuff, stuff lasts. Put you about 4 little squirts in there. Yep. That's perfect. A little forward, and then wipe your grease back off your spout again so dirt don't collect on it so bad. And it's under here. I was going to slide this way and do this one because it's easier to get to the.
Really?
Break it?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, we'll glue it back.
Well.
Oh.
Yep.
Did it break it all the way?
Yep. Never pull on the bumper.
What is this?
Mm.
Oh, that ain't nothing.
It broke.
Well, we can glue it though.
You can't tell though.
You can't tell it.
Unless you push on it again.
Well, we got something real good glue. We'll just glue it back together.
Don't really
Well, you
need
got
to.
one broke over here, so I didn't. There's 2 places we need to glue.
Never pull on the bumper.
Yeah.
He was the best. He was a dummy.
That's stupid shit I do.
The grill, not the bumper. Grill.
Oh, the grill's stupid shit or me?
You. Never pull on the grill. I don't know why I'm saying bumper. I don't know why I'm saying bumper.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, now we got this done. Got this one cleaned now. Give this in about 4 little squirts. You little pig-headed bastard. There you go. Well, hang on. I thought I had it on there. Maybe I didn't. I hate when it makes a mess.
hell, I ain't got it on there still. So what am I doing wrong? I'm making a mess down here, Bubba.
Don't you always?
Ah, there it did. Snapped in. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's perfect.
6.
Okay. And well, I can get to this one here pretty damn easy, so I think I'll just stay in here and do this one. Okay.
Peekaboo.
Now these bombs, it sound like one. These, since we keep it greased, it don't take a whole lot to rejuvenate your bottom one or ball joints, because if your rubber ain't broke and that rubber's getting ready to break, it's swelled up like a pregnant woman.
Well, what do you expect? It don't hurt. Oh. That's the original.
235,000 miles on the speedometer. Yeah. I gotta crawl into the truck, get this other one on this side.
Well, have fun.
Oh yeah, this is a hell of a lot easier to get to under here.
How to replace that?
Let's see, yeah. It killed the rubber back, yeah? Now I gotta do the top. Okay. Can't remember how to do this. Do we start the truck up and turn it towards the wheel?
No, did we?
I don't know. This son of a bitch, you can't grease nowhere back here. This is all sealed. Sometimes that's good, but sometimes it's bad. I know where your truck's leaking, right up here in the front, where it's making all that damn noise, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. You ain't gonna have to make it. Run this little puppy. What is this? Bottom about 5 squirts. So, like I say, when you keep them greased. You don't have to. 2, 3. Ah, there it went.
Break something?
No. It's just a pain in the ass. Got that time, I think.
This is gonna take a little more for some reason. That rubber. Yeah, there's it done. Yeah, just a little. What side I gotta do on this? Just the top on this side, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Hear them crows?
It probably won't catch on the camera, but there's crows crowing out here.
Yeah, there is. They're happy. They're enjoying the day.
Yep.
Pretty out today. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay. And we got the oil changed in it. And grease got back up somewhere. Over there out of the way. Okay, Colton.
Mm.
You got it. That's an old greasy rack now, ain't it? Let's lay it up. Turn the air compressor off. Okay, pop the hood down. We're done. Kill it out. Appreciate you watching. If you like us, hit the like button and make comments.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
So I.
God bless America and come back and see us. We'll have some more.
Wolf
Okay.
shy out.
Cut it off.